Hello guys, today I'm going to show you an updated way of having just one name on Facebook. Okay, let's get started right away.
Okay, click on these three bars at the top right corner.
Okay, now click on settings. Now click on see more in account center. Remember I'm using Facebook Lite. Now choose the profile that you want to change. You can see here I have two profiles, but I just want to change this other one on Facebook. Click on name. Okay, now edit the name. Just like that. Save it. You see, I've successfully updated my Facebook name. Now I just have one single name on Facebook. Let's check if that is true. Go back. Now refresh. Okay. You see, I only have one name on Facebook. Thank you guys.
Remember to like this video and subscribe if you gain some value from it, and also drop some comments if you encounter any issue so that I can rectify it immediately. Thank you guys. Let's meet in the next video.